Conferences like the Minerals Research Institute of Western Australia Advancing Net Zero Mining are really important to be able to showcase what's happening in Western Australia, to be able to bring in a discussion about what others are doing overseas so that we can escalate the rate of activity that's happening here to decarbonise.
Western Australia's got a stated objective of being the epicentre of the critical minerals sector. It's very important to get everybody in the room and talking about not only being the quarry for the world, but how we value add to those minerals.
Oh, it's been great how it's been really research focused this year. The field has been, lots of good collaboration and everyone's keen to, discuss different projects.
At MRIWA, we have a number of different research projects, a number of different focus areas, and what we seek to do as part of those is to be able to look at identifying technology solutions, and be able to use our research outcomes to deliver impact and benefit to the state.
It's really so important to have an opportunity to break down the silos that people work in and have conversations in the room where people you wouldn't normally talk to, you get a chance to understand what their problems are and catalyse some real thinking about different approaches to problems.
I think it'll have a great impact in terms of the collaboration work that's needed for industry to get to net zero by using the R&D behind laboratory doors and sharing the message and getting the communication out there as to new and emerging technologies and getting a real start on the journey to net zero.
I think the opportunity to engage on some of the research solutions, really looking at some of the innovative technology that's coming out of research and industry, and looking at how it can be applied across different contexts.
The whole push globally to reduce emissions from how we produce power is an opportunity for Western Australia. We've got the resources here to really be a part of that solution.
First of all would be the energy system, decarbonising the energy system, helping them to keep the systems stable, and as well attracting additional parts of the value chain of the metals, metals value chain, staying inside of the country, which currently goes out.
I think the future is really exciting for Western Australia. There's a very real leadership opportunity here. Not only do we have the mineral resources, but we've also got fabulous technical skill that can be applied to making best value out of those mineral resources as well.